we got the lumber and staples for the air nailer. And this is where I'm going to start. I'm going to start over here. There we go. What I'm thinking of doing, this wood here is still good. I'm going to cut back to here, wherever it's still good wood, and extend it over toward the front. Got to make a piece here. This one here. Cut out nails, screws, all kind. I mean, they just hack that sucker together. And we're going to get that in there. Work our way down. As you can see, this is not secure, so we're going to replace this board, get it all attached so it's solid. Work our way all the way down. Floor is nice and solid. I'm surprised. Oh. Oh, too bad. No, it doesn't look good. I gotta work. Oh. Yeah, and then we just scab in above the header board. Okay, well. Update. Scabbed in a few pieces of wood. Still see a little sunlight, but we're going to be getting that sealed. Slow process. Yeah, we used a Pennsylvania license plate for gussets. You want to talk about redneck?
There's another one right here.
Yeah, there's one right there.
I can't see it.
I had to take a bunch of silicone off the edge since they had it sealed up with white silicone, so we used a wire wheel. This is kind of how they got it gobbed on. There's tons of it. So we bought some butyl tape and we put that on both edges of the trim, and that should seal up nice and keep the water out.